wonderful treat. Sometimes red and sometimes green. Sometimes even yellow ones are seen. Apple pie or apple crumble to eat and stop a tummy rumble. Apple sauce to go with pork. Eat it with a knife and fork. Just eat one apple a day. I will keep the doctor away. I am healthy for you to munch, so remember to take me for your lunch. Into wine. The most common grapes are colored green, but many more colors can be seen. Grapes are always found in a bunch. Take us to school for your lunch. Grape juice is very tasty to sip. Hold the glass with a firm grip. Why not make a nice grape tart? Decorate the top to make it look smart. Add me to a bowl of fruit with whatever drink so cool. Sip me on a hot day next to a swimming pool. So refreshing and sweet, a lovely cool treat.
Yay!
With a salad I am great, served with some lettuce on a plate. Use me to make some jelly.
Hello.
Enjoy the taste as it fills your belly. A bright red cherry with a stalk so green. Other colors are sometimes seen. I am a small fruit grown on a tree. When I am ripe, you can pick me. In the middle of me sits a stone. Be careful as it is hard as a bone. I am so very soft and sweet, very nice and tasty to eat. Why not try some cherry cake? It is quite simple to make. Or a slice of cherry pie. Go on, give it a try. I am an orange, so juicy and sweet. Orange in color and lovely to eat. My peel is rough to touch. You will enjoy me very much. My juice is healthy and tastes so good. So drink it down, you know you should. I can be used to make orange pie. Very tasty, you just have to try. I am packed full of vitamin C. So eat me up and enjoy me. Add me to a salad for a tasty treat. My flavor will make it so sweet. I am a strawberry, juicy and red, with the green stem sitting on my head. I am so tasty and sweet, always a pleasure to eat. Spread some strawberry jam on toast, or try some strawberry cheesecake, whichever you like most. Strawberry jelly or strawberry flan. Use my fruit however you can.
Yeah!
A strawberry milkshake is always nice, or a strawberry tart, try a slice. Pop me in a bowl and pour some cream on top. You will always want more.
Yes!
I'm a mango, a juicy fruit with a stone. Upon a mango tree I am grown. The trees can grow to a salad and a slice. Or I'm tasty